So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're in this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and then you want to expand system, and then you want to expand current control set, and then you want to expand control, and now you want to click on the network folder. You want to find it. Here it is, network. You want to click on this folder once, and now this will appear on the right side. And now in this folder, you may have something that's called config. If you see something called config, then you want to right click on it, and then click on delete, and then click on yes. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to take note of your network adapter name. So mine's called Intel R Pro. Now once you take note of the name, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters, and then you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the third step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters, and then you want to find network and internet. Click on run, and then you want to run this. Click on this, and if it finds any problems, it will try to fix it for you. And now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.